There and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share this cute door wreath out of pizza pans from the Dollar Tree. Before I forget, please be sure to subscribe, hit that like button and share, and let's get right into this cute Christmas project. So for this, I used 3 pizza pans. I had some craft paper and I used my Cricut to cut out the letters. I didn't want to use wood ones. I figured I could just take I did 3 layers of craft paper, and I cut out a J, an O, and a Y, of course. And as you can see, I used my Cricut to cut out the circles of the paper and glued them on. And then I used Mod Podge. I don't know where that went in this video, but I brushed it on and then I sprinkled snowflake glittery stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I started gluing on the letters. The other materials I have for this video are burlap ribbon, and I found some different decor pieces in the floral section to spice up the top of the pizza pans after I glued them on. So I used Gorilla Glue. I was having a hard time with the Dollar Tree craft glue and my hot glue gun, so I used Gorilla Glue. After a few minutes of pushing everything down, it eventually stuck. That was the hardest part of this project, other than the glittery snow falling all over the place. That's my puppy. Why are you barking? Stop barking. So here I am doing the Y. And of course you can grab wooden letters from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. You can also go in your Cricut design space and find different letters and different material to use. I just wanted to use my craft paper, as I was able to make this sign for about $10. So here you see me. I took 2 bundles of the floral pine cones and poinsettas. I put them together. I used the floral wire for this project, and as you can see on my screen, you can see some silver bells. So I glued the silver bells onto those little bundles as well. And as you can see, I'm gluing the pizza pans on the burlap. It takes a while to dry, and I would suggest gluing them on and then letting them dry and then putting the bundles on. Because sometimes it takes forever to dry and you don't want your pizza pans to fall off the burlap ribbon. And as you can see on my top of the Y, I have the 2 bundles and then the silver bell. And then for the O, I took some silvery glittery stuff and put an ornament. It says peace on there. Nope, it says Noel. I had a peace one and I changed it to Noel. So there you go, that's it. So nice and easy and looks beautiful. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and that's it. Thank you so much for joining me, and take care. Bye.